Amidst the coastal landscape of Te Arai, New Zealand, a residence emerges with a serene approach that blends seamlessly with its natural surroundings. Nestled among sand dunes, coastal grasses, and the expanse of the sea, the building is designed to embrace the character of the environment without diminishing its natural beauty. The spatial composition is formed by two main interconnected sections, creating a balance between open and sheltered spaces. This arrangement creates a distinct experience at every corner, from more private spaces to gathering areas that open directly to the landscape. Two open courtyards are crucial in bringing nature into the residence. These spaces bring sunlight, fresh air, and vegetation into the center of the building, creating a gentle transition between the interior and the surrounding environment. The use of natural materials strengthens the connection to the building. The solid earth wall surfaces create a sense of solidity and grounding, while the wood and glass elements create a balance between warmth and openness. The textures of the materials are left natural, allowing the building to feel close to the landscape. The interior spaces are designed with wide openings, allowing views and light to become part of everyday life. The movement between the interior and outdoor spaces feels fluid, allowing residents to enjoy the changing natural atmosphere from morning to evening. Through concise forms, a strong connection to nature, and a play of open spaces, This residence offers a peaceful living experience. It demonstrates how architecture can adapt to its environment and create harmony between people, space, and landscape.